Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to print a Mailchimp campaign, whether you need a physical copy for record keeping or want to save it as a PDF for offline access. This process will help you achieve that efficiently. First, open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the homepage, log in to your Mailchimp account using your username and password. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all your campaign management tools. After logging in, look to the left side navigation menu and click on Campaigns. This section houses all your email campaigns, both sent and in draft form. From here, click on Email Templates to view your list of sent campaigns. This will display all the campaigns you've created and sent out, making it easy to locate the specific one you need. Now find the campaign you want to print from the list and click on it to enter the editor page. This is where the magic happens. Once you're in the editor, you'll need to create a workaround to generate a printable version of your campaign. From the editor page, select or drag a text block. On the text editor that appears on your right side panel, look for the Merge Tags function and click on it. In the drop-down menu, locate and click on Archive Link. This will generate a merge tag that creates a web-accessible version of your campaign. Copy the merge tag that's been generated. Next, find a random word anywhere in your campaign that you can highlight and convert into a hyperlink. This will serve as your access point to the printable version. On the link setup menu that appears, choose the web address option in the Link to section. Under the URL field, paste the archive merge tag you copied earlier. Now click on Advanced Options and make sure to tick the Open in a new window option. This ensures the archive opens properly without interfering with your editor. Click Insert to finalize the link. Once that's done, click Save and Close on the bottom part of your customization panel. Now locate the Preview and Test option on the top right part of your screen, then enter Preview mode. This allows you to see exactly how your campaign will appear. In Preview mode, click on the archive link you just created. It will open an exact copy of your campaign as a website page or newsletter in a new browser window. This is the version you'll print from. With the archive page open, click Print from the context menu or press Ctrl+P on Windows or CMD+P on Mac to open the print dialog. Here, select your printer if you want a physical copy or choose Save as PDF to save the campaign as a digital file. Before finalizing, adjust any print settings such as layout and margins as needed to ensure everything looks perfect. And there you have it, you've successfully created a printable version of your Mailchimp campaign. This method gives you a clean, web-based version that's optimized for printing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.